What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl LaShondacapri, and I'm back with a brand new video. I am going to be dyeing my hair blue. This is my first time dyeing my hair blue. I've had my hair mint, I had my hair lavender, I had my hair pink, blonde, as you can tell, platinum, so crimson, ginger. So I'm just gonna see how this turns out, see how I like it. It is a dark blue, actually. The company is Adore, and I'm using 178 Royal Blue. Guys, I know a lot of you wonder, how do I dye my hair so much? How do other people dye their hair so much? And the dye that I'm using is a vegan, cruelty-free dye. So it's not gonna damage my hair, it's not gonna hurt my hair. So yeah, before we jump into the video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you turn on the ring bell so you are not missing any videos from me. I'm gonna jump straight into this video, guys. I don't have any gloves, so I'm gonna try to do this without getting all of my hands. And one quick thing, if you see me looking off to this way, it's because I'm looking at my big mirror, because it's kind of hard to look inside the camera while I'm doing this, but I am going to move closer so you guys can see. So yeah, let's jump into this video. And oh, again, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button. Thank you. Let's jump into it. Just have a little bit of the dye mixed up here in this bowl. I'm going to use my brush to lay this on because, again, I do not have any gloves. So I'm going to start. I'm kind of nervous, but let's get into it. Done, as you can see. Okay, guys, I'm back and I'm done. As you can see, it is a very, very, very dark blue. Very dark blue. I don't know if you guys can see the blue, but it is blue. I think I like it. I think it looks like any other time I have my hair black, but I definitely can't see the blue. But I think once it dries, the color will come out a little bit more. So yeah. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you do subscribe to my channel.